Popcorn. Look at that. With Sakari.
All right.
We got
Part two.
We got Chef Vlad here. He drank his favorite drink, which is Coke 45.
And overshared way too much information.
You never could share too much. But now this is our cooking segment here, and we want to cook your favorite late night snack. And what are we cooking today, Chef Vlad?
Yeah, so my favorite go-to late night snack, and it's surprisingly one of the easiest things to pull off with probably zero culinary knowledge. We're cooking popcorn.
Popcorn. Look at that. I don't want to put it in just yet, but you know, popcorn it is. Okay.
So, and we got this beautiful Hex Clad heating up right now.
Hex Clad heating up. I'm gonna cook for you my famous
All right.
Old Bay popcorn. Growing up as a kid, my mom was from Maryland, and she loved Old Bay. You should wake up and you would smell it. Like, let's give this a little whiff. Give that a little whiff. It's not truffle. It's not truffle.
Is that Old Bay though?
Is that Old Bay though? You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna cook this up for you. But tell us a little bit about like why is popcorn so important? We're gonna get a little avocado oil. When you add your oil, you want to make sure you add a little bit more than you think you need.
Okay.
All right. Talk to us a little bit about why is popcorn your
Yeah. So if you're listening to part one, you obviously know I got those guilty pleasures at the end of the night that I like to partake in.
Okay.
And nothing hits that spot like freshly popped popcorn.
Freshly popped popcorn.
And obviously, well, actually, you know, the movie butter store-bought popcorn is clutch. Fuck that synthetic, yada petroleum bullshit they're adding into it.
You don't want none of that.
Trying to be a little healthier. So, you know, obviously avocado.
So we're gonna
always go with the avocado oil.
We're gonna give the whole food, right? Very natural. It's gonna be totally delicious. My secret here is we're not using an actual lid. We're actually gonna seal this with aluminum foil. Everybody has aluminum foil at their home, right? You might not have a perfect lid, but you have aluminum foil.
There you go.
This is our trick here, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come wrap it around. And then what you're gonna do, and sometimes if it's a little too hot, what you can do is you just grab like this, right?
The towel,
right? Chef, tell us how important towels are in the kitchen.
Super important.
Yeah?
Not only do you have one on your left side and your right side, but you got one on your back, just in case we end up in a moment without two towels. You got the back towel, and that's the pro move.
You're giving away too many tips, Chef. Right?
That's that pro move. That's the pro. If you're really pro, you can clutch it out and just like whip it out. You can twirl your towels.
Wow.
I mean, you can get really good with your towels.
You're giving them all the game.
So towels are not only important, but essential to cooking.
Smoke. You see that smoke? That's what you're looking for, right? You want to almost have it right before it smokes. A little smoke is okay. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, right?
Exactly.
So it's not going to be bitter by any chance. And that little hole here, we're just going to actually just put it right in. You want that oil nice and hot. And you're just going to put it right in.
All right.
Shake it up.
Different approach than what I go for.
Shake it up, right?
I'm excited.
And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to close that little gap that we had. Go grab your towel. And then you're just going to make sure it's tight. But you want to make sure you have high temperature, hot oil. That's what you're looking for. And then wait for it to pop, right?
Exactly. That's the magic.
Are you a movie guy?
I am a movie guy,
yeah?
Especially at like 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
2 a.m. movie.
Favorite movie, favorite late night movie. What is Chef Vlad watching at 2 a.m.?
Whatever HBO's got on at 2 a.m. I'm watching. All right.
I love it. And you'll start to see a little crackling. You'll hear it, huh?
Yeah, dude, that's
nostalgia.
And not only do you hear it,
yeah,
your entire house smells like popcorn after you're done cooking.
Your guests come over, they're smelling the fresh popcorn, and they're like, "We're at a movie theater."
Exactly.
Where you're at home.
Exactly.
Now you feel that pop, and that's what you're looking for.
Like, we got action in this.
Action. Now you can listen to the pops. You want that constant popping.
You want it to be so poppin' that or herbal, whatever his name is, Bredenbacher is turning his grave.
Now look at this, right? Yeah, it's popping. And when you hear it slowly, those in-between pops, I cut off the heat. Just like so. And look at that. We got...
It's that carryover cooking.
It's that steam that's locking in. And just popping the last pop. So that way it's not burnt or anything like that.
I like that. This is my type of cup full size, you know? I want that shit pouring out the sides. Like, that's how full I want it.
100%. Look at that.
And is there really ever enough popcorn?
There's never enough popcorn. Look at that. We just perfectly put the right amount, Chef.
It's glistening, dude.
It's glistening, right? That's why you need that extra oil in there. You're gonna always want to add a little bit more oil than you actually think you need. There's no salt in this yet, Chef. And it's already, this is no GMO, no artificial butter. Like, this is it. This is homemade.
Really great popcorn right
Wow, look at that, right? So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab a bowl, right? Have a little bowl here. Just give it a wipe out. Make sure whatever bowl you use is just nicely wiped out. Now I'm gonna take over this popcorn, right? Like so. It's all right, Chef. I got it. It's okay to dispose a little bit.
Yeah.
If you have a dog, they can eat it. All right. If you have kids, they can eat it as well. A little popcorn.
We got humans, you know. We'll take it too.
Okay, a little popcorn, like so. Okay. I'll move this out the way, like so. Now, this is my favorite part, seasoning the popcorn, right? So,
Get it.
add a little bit, just a little bit more avocado oil. You know that extra butter that they add, right? This is that extra butter, right? But it's avocado oil, okay?
It's gonna coat that entire circumference of
Now-
your mouth.
Now, if we had truffle, it would be great, but we have an Old Bay, so we're just gonna kind of like just sprinkle.
Always down with that Old Bay.
Oh my God. This is bringing back my childhood.
Bay leaf is so underrated.
Look at this. And you just want to shake it as you're going, Chef. You got me?
Pro move right here.
Oh wow. He's done this once or twice, huh? Look at him. Tahini. Have you ever seen tahini? Have you ever used it?
I'm about tahini. Never really put it on my popcorn.
Do you
I'm
want to
super
smell?
excited.
You want to smell it a little bit? Has that lime, that citrusy notes, a little bit of spice. That's what you're looking for. I'm just gonna put it lightly on there. You gonna give it a little shake, Chef? Look at that. Woo! You can never add too much. Yes, you can. All right. And now, secret ingredient here. Okay. This is a pro tip. Whenever you're creating anything with spice, you want something a little bit nice. A little bit of sugar.
Because sugar and spice makes everything nice.
Come on, it adds that sweetness that you're looking for, and it helps balance out your dish as well. Woo! Now, Chef, just like that. I mean, this takes like what,
Dude,
5-10 minutes?
Sexy as fuck.
Look at that, look at that. It looks great. We're gonna add a little bit more Old Bay on top because I can't help myself. I just love it that much. I mean, Chef, should we go?
Yes.
Should we taste? Wow. Wow. A little bit of sweetness, right?
It comes right at the end though.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Right?
Right where that lime and sweetness needs
You
to
taste
be.
the lime a little bit, right? A little bit of pop.
Because it draws out that, like, almost you salivate because of that lime.
Yeah.
That's juicy.
Look at that. It gets the spice from the Old Bay, the citrusy notes from the tahini, and then you get sweetness just from the sugar. Right?
Really,
Now,
really good.
you can use monk fruit sweetener if you have like if you don't like to use sugar, you know, maybe a touch of honey, maybe agave. Just add a little bit of sweetness, but really good, Chef.
I like that. It lightens all those aromatics.
Chef, when I come visit you in Miami, you have to make me truffle popcorn, okay? Now that I
I
made
do.
you Old Bay,
I
so
do.
our signature
This
here.
is fire.
Thank you, Chef. We're
Yeah,
putting
you already got all these ingredients in your cabinet.
all the
anyways.
stuff you have. And if you don't have Old Bay or tahini, use whatever spice mix you have at home. Use a Cajun season.
Yeah.
Use garlic. Use adobo. Whatever you want.
It says for seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. It should say for popcorn.
There we go. All right.
Yo, this was fire. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for having me, brother. Thank you for coming through and cooking with us. This has been another episode of Sippin' with Sakari. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Lots of love.
Sippin' with Sakari.